I know you're lying, don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire, put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's install is going to be a glueless wig install. I've not used any hairspray, I've not used any glue, I've not used any gel to install this wig today. When it comes to this wig is from OMGHerHair, and this is their brown ombre wig. It's a 22-inch wig and it's 180 density. So the wig comes with the super fine HD lace and a clean bleached hairline. So it came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So if you guys want to see how I installed and styled this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. So this is what the wig from OMGHerHair looks like. So this is their 13x6 lace front wig, and it's their brown ombre Yaki wig. I did go ahead and straighten the hair off camera, so now I'm just going to go ahead and install this wig for you guys. But I want to see if I can do a glueless install today, just because of how snug this wig fits on my head. So the only thing I've done is I've just clipped the elastic straps at the back of the wig together, and it fits pretty snug on my head as well. When it comes to the hairline came pre-plucked like I said, but it was too straight for me around the front, so I just decided to go in and just get rid of some hair just to make it look a bit more realistic. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig. It looks so good.
I don't be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know
Like, can you guys see how seamless the lace is? I've not used any hair mousse, I've not used anything on this wig, and it looks so good.
know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of
So as usual, you want to make sure you can put the hair behind your ears like so. The hairline just looks so good.
crying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. I don't wanna be like you. Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying, don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire.
So this is what the lace looks like once I'm done cutting off the excess lace. I've not used anything and it just looks so good.
Put it out with water, but now you're drowning.
So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some hair mousse on the lace and then tie it down with my melt band. So to help the sides stay down, I'm gonna pull down some hair just so when I tie it down with my melt band, it stays in place like this. Same thing on the other side.
There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do.
And then I'm just gonna take my edge brush and just do some slight swoops.
I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't.
And then you want to make sure you pull the hair down on the side. Just make sure the lace is laying down properly. I'm going to take off my earrings and do the same on this side.
I wanna be like you, cause I could do better. I could do better.
Okay, so I'm just going to leave the melt band on whilst I go ahead and style the hair. There's not really much to do to it because I've already straightened the hair off camera anyway. So I feel like for me, I definitely prefer to hot comb the hair whilst I have my melt band on, because this prevents me from burning myself. I'm able to lay the hot comb on top of the melt band.
I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. I don't wanna be like you.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and run my straighteners through the hair.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take off the melt band, and then the lace should be good. So let's see.
I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your.
So yeah guys, so this is what the hairline looks like, and this is 100% glueless. I haven't used any hairspray, I've not used any glue or any gel. I've only used some hair mousse today and my melt band, and yeah, it looks so good.
Help, you should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling.
Okay, so here's what the wig looks like. Honestly, I'm so in love with the hairline and the lace. The fact that this is 100% glueless and I've not had to glue it down shows that you can definitely install this wig glueless as well. So like I said, this wig is from OMGHerHair, and this is their brown ombre wig. So it's a 22-inch wig and it's 180 density. I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, and let me know what you think of the way I've installed the wig today, what you think of the hairline. I really like the hairline, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.